Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox RefID codes. A Roblox RefID is a unique numerical identifier assigned to specific items, games, or experiences on the platform. Think of it as a direct address, allowing you to quickly pinpoint and access content without extensive searching. It's a powerful tool for sharing and finding exact content, making your Roblox experience more efficient and streamlined. We'll cover how to find and apply these codes effectively. Locating a Roblox RefID is quite straightforward. When you're on a game or item page, simply look at the web address in your browser's URL bar. You'll typically see a long string of numbers, often following ID equals, or embedded directly after game / or catalog /. For instance, if the URL is roblox.com/games/123456789 then 123456789 is your RefID. It's usually a sequence of 10 digits. Once you have a RefID, using it is incredibly simple. The most common method is to paste the numerical code directly into the Roblox search bar, which will then take you straight to the associated content. Alternatively, you can construct a direct link by adding the RefID to a base Roblox URL, such as roblox.com/games/yourrefid. This provides immediate access, bypassing the need to browse. It's a quick and efficient way to jump right into the action or view a specific item. Utilizing RefID offers several key benefits. Primarily, it saves you valuable time by providing a direct route to specific content, eliminating the need to sift through numerous search results. It also ensures accuracy, guaranteeing you access the exact game or item intended. For best practices, always ensure the RefID comes from a trusted source to avoid unintended content. This simple code enhances your navigation and overall experience on the Roblox platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.